In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk ticket from an email. If you're looking to streamline your customer support process, this is a great feature to take advantage of. It's simple, efficient, and can significantly boost your team's productivity. Now, let's dive into the details to ensure you understand every step along the way. First, let's identify your Zendesk support email address. Zendesk automatically provides you with a default support address, which usually looks like support at your subdomain Zendesk.com. This is the email address where your customers' queries can be sent, and a ticket will be generated from those emails. To find or customize this email address, you'll want to log into the Admin Center. Once there, head over to the Channels section and then click on Email. Here, you'll be able to see your default Zendesk email address. This is the email your customers will use, but don't worry if you'd like to use another address. You can customize this by adding your own address at a later stage if necessary. After you've found your support email or set up your custom one, the next step is sending an email to this address. This can be done from any email account, such as a customer's Gmail. When crafting this email, remember that the subject line will become the subject of your ticket, making it easy to scan and prioritize. The body of the email will then transform into the description of the ticket, capturing all the details of the customer's issue or query. If there are any important documents or relevant screenshots, attachments in the email will also be included in the ticket, ensuring all necessary information is right at your fingertips. Once the email is sent, Zendesk will kick into action. A ticket will be automatically created within the Zendesk system. If you have triggers enabled, an auto-reply will be sent to the sender, acknowledging receipt of the email and providing any further instructions or information you've set up. Moreover, the ticket will be routed according to your predefined trigger or automation settings, which can help in organizing tickets by priority or department. Finally, it's time to view the ticket within Zendesk. Navigate to the Views section. Here you can explore predefined views like Unassigned Tickets or All Tickets to locate the new ticket. The ticket will display crucial details such as the email content, the sender's information, and the subject line. From this view, you can assign the ticket to the appropriate team member or handle it yourself. By following these steps, you'll find that creating a Zendesk ticket from an email is both straightforward and effective, enhancing your capability to respond swiftly to customer inquiries. Remember, a well-organized support system is the backbone of excellent customer service, and Zendesk makes it seamless. With this knowledge, you're all set to optimize your support processes and improve your customer interactions. Thanks for joining us today, and happy ticketing!